the ANC welcomes the decisive and constitutionally sound announcement by President Cyril Ramaphosa on Sunday, 30th July 2025, to establish a judicial commission of inquiry into the deeply disturbing allegations that are serious, far-reaching, and go to the core of the integrity of the state. This includes claims of interference with sensitive investigations, complicity between senior state officials and criminal elements, and the possible existence of an organized criminal syndicate operating within the state's security architecture. Left unaddressed, such allegations threaten to erode public confidence in the institutions that are meant to protect the South African people and uphold the rule of law. The ANC views the President's response as both necessary and responsible. His establishment of a judicial commission of inquiry is an act of leadership that demonstrates an unwavering commitment to constitutional democracy, accountability, and the principle that no individual, regardless of their position, is above the law. It affirms that the fight against crime and corruption will not be waged through expedient populism or grandstanding, but through lawful, transparent, and institutional processes grounded in our democratic order. The decision to place Minister of Police, Comrade Senzo Mchunu, on a leave of absence is equally commendable. It is a proactive and considered measure taken in the interest of ensuring that due process is not compromised.